Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to remove password from Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple video. So let's go. First, just go to start and here just type sign in options. Just click on the sign in options. Okay. In sign in option, here we find password. Just click on the password. Okay. Now here we find change. Just click on the change. Here just add your current password or your Windows password. Okay, or login password. Just click on the next. Now it's asked you to add a new password, confirm password, password hint. Just give all things blank. Don't add anything at this field and just click on the next. Now just click on the finish. Now just click on the close. Now just go to start, just sign out or just restart your PC. I just go to the sign out. Okay, and here I just click at here. And now just click at here and it's not asked to any password. It just log in your PC directly. So guys, this is the simplest way to remove password from Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.